Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will compare the Mercedes-Benz CLA and the BMW 4 Series. These two luxury vehicles offer distinct experiences, with the CLA often positioned as a subcompact and the 4 Series as a compact. We will delve into their unique design philosophies, performance capabilities, interior comforts, and advanced technologies. My goal is to help you understand the key differences to make an informed decision. When it comes to aesthetics, both cars make a strong statement. The CLA showcases a sleek, four-door coupe design, emphasizing its aerodynamic profile with a drag coefficient as low as 0.27. In contrast, the 4 Series often presents a more aggressive stance, highlighted by its distinctive kidney grille. While the CLA is generally more compact, the 4 Series typically offers a longer and wider presence on the road, reflecting their different class segments. Under the hood, you'll find distinct performance philosophies. The base CLA typically delivers around 221 horsepower, focusing on agile urban driving. The 4 Series, however, often starts with a more robust 255 horsepower, providing a more dynamic feel. The 4 Series generally features a longer wheelbase, enhancing high-speed stability. Both offer all-wheel drive, but the 4 Series also provides traditional rear-wheel drive, appealing to different driving preferences. Inside, both vehicles offer a luxurious experience, but with different technological approaches. The CLA boasts the MBUX infotainment system, featuring expansive digital screens and advanced voice control. The 4 Series counters with its intuitive iDrive system, often presented on a sleek curved display. While the 4 Series typically offers more generous interior volume, especially for rear passengers, the CLA often provides a slightly larger trunk, around 460 liters, compared to the 4 Series' 440 liters.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.